Wala akong nakita actually. Wala akong naging kilala. Ang nakita ko lang talaga ng kilala ko is the Marcos family. Yes. And of course the Vice Chief of Staff na siyang nag-lead nung military honors.
Sir, paki-confirm na po, may 21
General
gun salute.
Miranda,
May
yes.
21 gun salute, sir, tapos may volleys of fire. Paki-confirm na po.
Yes, 21 gun salute. That's kasama sa ano kasi yun kasama dun sa ceremony ng military honors. Yes.
For
That's part of it.
only, sir.
No, even the military commanders. Yes, military commanders. 21 gun salute.
Tapos yung volley
And
of
the
fire, meron
yes,
pa
and
rin.
the sounding of the tops.
Sir, napag-usapan ba bakit hindi inantay yung appeal sa Supreme Court decision?
Well, that I do not know of, no? Kasi we're not in a position to question yung kung hihintayin o hindi yung decision ng motion for
Sir,
reconsideration.
nag-insist, gano'n kadiin yung insistence ng Marcos family na agad-agad na ilibing, sir, na ngayon na, sir? Gano'n
Tsaka private.
ka-private, sir, ka-eager, sir?
Actually, it was not actually an insistent on their part, no. Alam naman kasi natin na talagang ililibing, no. Actually, I had a previous meeting with Senator Bongbong 2 weeks back, and then I had a meeting with the Governor Mikey last Monday. Although ang sa kanila, ang sabi nga nila, wala pa silang talagang date because the first time I talked with Senator Bongbong, he told me that he preferred on a Sunday sana, no? Para nga hindi mag-create ng traffic or mag-create ng kahit anong gulo. And then yung second meeting with Governor Marcos, ang sabi niya, it's any day. So kami naman na naka-prepare na kami like almost 2 months back.
Sir, nasabi ba kung kaninong preference itong date na to? Kay Congresswoman ba? Kay Gov? Kay Senator?
Wala actually. Wala silang sinabi. Basta sinabihan kami yesterday na it will be today and noon.
Sir, why was it kept a secret?
That I do not know of. No? Hindi ko alam kung anong reason ng Marcos family doon.
Sir, sa police, sino pong pinaka-decision maker dito na nagbigay ng order? Was it the PNP, the DND? Sino po from the government yung nag-decide or nakipag-usap sa Marcos family?
Nobody decided for this. Ang this is the part of the mandate of the PNP to provide peace and order. Ang part lang namin dito is to maintain peace and order, no? This is just also pareho lang din ng like an ordinary citizen na nanghingi ng assistance sa atin to maintain peace and order. So walang pinag-iba ito. The thing is, ito kasi is a bit controversial, no? And of course, a national figure.
Sir, paki-describe yung mood, sir, noong burial, sir. Kumusta yung family?